So hello everyone, welcome back to Spectra series. Now we're going to solve question number 10. It is asking to get three sides from the user and we have to print if it is a scale-in, isosceles or an equilateral triangle. First, we have to know the properties of the triangle. Scale-in means if all the three sides are not the same, then just call scale-in. We say isosceles, we say some triangle is isosceles when at least two sides are equal, and we say it is equilateral when all the three sides are equal. So let us write the program for that. So first we have to get the three sides. So S1 equal to n input enter the side. Now we have to get the two more inputs for side 2 and side 3 respectively. So this is for side 2 and this is for side 3. We are going to use the if condition. So if S1 equal to S2 and S2 equal to S3 and S3 equal to S1, then we can find it as given as equilateral triangle. Now for scalar, LF S1 equal to S2 or S2 equal to S3 or S1 S3 equal to S1. So we are using hand over here because we need all of these conditions to be true. Only then it is going to print this. But when we use OR, if either one of these conditions is true, it is going to run the program. Print the given as ISO the rest. Now for the last one, we don't need to use any other condition. We can use the else itself. So else print given given fact. Now let's see how this works. Now let me enter the sides as let's say 3, 4, and 5. It is a scaling. So now let us try with other values. Let me enter 4, 6, and 4. So as you can see, both 2 equals isosceles